Before we take a look inside this beautiful home, let me show you just how perfectly located it is. You're minutes from the Turnpike. Major intersections with plenty of shopping nearby, including two of Florida's favorites, Publix and Sedano's, not to mention the Miami Zoo. This stunning two-story property sits in a quiet neighborhood with no HOA, no CDD, and it's not in a flood zone. It features 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a spacious open kitchen with quartz countertops and dark cabinets. Enjoy cozy nights in the Florida room, perfect for movies or game nights. Step outside to your covered outdoor kitchen and a yard ready for a pool. The seller is motivated, so don't wait. This Miami gem won't last.